Upper arm application. For an upper arm cast application, the elbow joint is positioned at a 90-degree angle. The cast goes from the MCP joints at the distal side to the proximal end of the biceps. To maintain the right angle, a second person may assist and hold the hand securely at the thumb or the index finger. Depending on the indication, the arm can be in middle position, pronation, or supination. You will need a Scotch cast longuette of 7.5 × 45 centimeters and 2 rolls of 5 or 7.5 centimeter soft cast. Take a suitable length of 5 cm or 7.5 cm stockinette, and pull it over the arm. A small hole is cut at the base of the thumb for the thumb to pass through. To avoid creasing, fold or cut the stockinette to fit the length of the elbow. Apply microfoam to cushion all bony prominences at the elbow and wrist. If desired, the proximal part of the application can also be padded with a piece of microfoam. Put on gloves. Take the 5 or 7.5 cm soft cast roll and tear open the package at the perforation. Start at the ulnar side at the 5th metacarpal. Apply beneath the thumb and along on the palmar side up to the height of the palmar crease, along the metacarpal heads, between the thumb and the index finger. Cut into the tape at the base of the thumb, leaving about 1.5 centimeters. Hold the tape with your finger, turn the tape, and back again, and apply along the palmar crease. Repeat this once again. Now apply semi-overlapping in the proximal direction. At the elbow, wrap diagonally in the direction of the upper arm. Now these two diagonal turns are secured with circular windings. This completely covers the elbow. Leave a small section of the microfoam uncovered at the proximal edge. Cut off the rest of the roll. The stockinette is folded over proximally. Take the Scotch cast longette of 7.5 x 45 centimeters. You can apply the longette on the dorsal or the ventral side or in a U-shape, all depending on the indication. Shorten the longette at the elbow so that it does not extend too far into the pit of the elbow. Apply soft cast once more, starting at the proximal side, to secure the longette. Shorten the longette just above the fingertips. Now the stockinette is folded over at the distal side. And covered with a final layer of soft cast. To accelerate setting and for easier molding, wrap a wet bandage around the application under slight tension. Here you can see how the application technique at the elbow works. The position of the wrist and the elbow is checked again, and the cast is molded accordingly. After approximately 3 minutes, you can remove the wet bandage. At this stage, if desired, you can trim loose ends. It's essential that the full extension and flexion of the fingers are unencumbered to stimulate circulation and reduce the risk of atrophies. To cut open the cast, use a pair of soft cast scissors on the side where there is no Scotch cast reinforcement. Squeeze the cast carefully to create room for the scissors.